Sage CRM is designed to make a system administrator's job very easy. If you need to change a field's caption or to add a new option into a selection list, then this can be done with just a few clicks. I want to look at how I can change the name of the field's source and add a new option to the selection list. In order to do this, I need to switch over into the administration screens and then switch to customization and then look at the company entity. Now I've arrived on the fields list, which is where I wanted to be in order to change the field's caption, and I can now click on the field comp source at the bottom of the screen. And so here I can change the caption, and once I've made the change, I can click Save. Now please note that this is only changing the caption of the field for the system administrator's language. But while I'm here, I can also edit the options for the selection list. And you can see there's this little edit icon next to the selection. And if I click that, you can see how we can start to change the options that are available. And what I've just done is I've added an additional option, social media. And once I've saved the changes, I can return to the company summary screen, which is where the caption will have changed, and as will the options.